Ngibingelele obaba, ngibingelele insizwa, ngibingelele intombi. Bese ngibingelele omama, kuyinyanga yethu umama sisivala nje imbokotwe. Ngithi nje awukikise uyimbokotwe uyimbaleze. Siyabonga. I'm gonna be very short and very sweet at the same time. Ngiyabonga kakhulu babungema. Ngumuntu isikhathi esiningi when I talk in front of people I take my time because I have an assignment. You know, when you have an assignment that is due to you ukuthi uyihambise ebantwini. Mawumile phambi kwabantu you feel like ngathi ukhuluma ngoba kusuke kukhona lokho divine appointment yakhe namhlanje ukuthi kushintshe impilo yakhe. Awushaya ihlombe mawungizwa kahle. Ngeke seshilo igama lami ngothando ngilumaduma kude umashaka mathakashelezana nangqwamani umfazi omabele madongweni sifane maphesheya komfoli othola ngikanele kwangema emangadi lo madlo kuvuto siyenkomo bathi kangakanani ngoba lasentendeni esandla yanela inkosi ayiqede. Bafethu ngikhuluma kangaka nje ngenxa ukuthi ngenzele umuzi. You know masunemali makunemali ekhaya nje yabo njengoba ngimthakazela kangaka kwamngene uyazi singakabi namali ngeke ngiyenze lento engiyenza manje. Kusho ukuthini ngamanye amazwi bazalwane? Money commands respect. Imali yenza ukuthi ekhaya kube nokuthula, kube nokuthandana, kube futhi imali nje. Kube happy wonke umuntu kusukela einganeni, kusukela kuphi. Ngikusho kanjani lokho ngikubone lapha ekhaya. Ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ngibusisiwe ekuphumeni nasengeneni kwami. Ekhaya lami kufudumele ngoba sabamba into eyodwa ukuthi makungenamali ekhaya kuyabanda. Yes, singasho ukuthi imali it's not everything but it gives you options. Imali yenza ukuthi ube nesithunzi. Yazi uma unemali akudinga ukuthi uzuhline ubeke imqobe ufola isiphongweni. Imali nje commands respect. Let me say that again. Zimbili izinto engizozisho bese ngihlala phansi. Ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu ngizwa ngifike lokujabula when I see you nigcwele la ngibona indawo ipacked kangaka kulesi sikhathi khona whereby abantu bengasezwa lutho ngamabhizinisi. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngo-NT RNK. Anguphinde futhi lokho bazalwane ngoba ngaleli business kuzoshintsha impilo zabantu. Ngaleli business kuzoqhamuka brand new cars. Ngaleli business sizobona abantu bethenga brand new houses. Mark my words. Why ngisho kanjalo? Ngoba ngisho ukuthi ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu ngibona ngigcwele kangaka. After ukushaya kongaka kwaphela iqiniso mina that is why ngingamsoli umuntu omshayela ibhizinisi angaliboni. We are wounded bafowethu silimele. Kuningi okufikile kwasithembisa into ezinkulu but instead kwathatha kuthina. Sasala senalutho, sasala sikhala, sasala nje sithina with a bunch of enemies. Ngoba when you doing this businesses endleleni kuvuka izitha. Kufike kuhambe kahle mina I really don't know ukuthi abantu badale kanjani. Masihamba kahle ebhizinisini bayancoma bajabule but when things start not to go right bayaqala bathi into yakho. Bafowethu masingabambile one day before ngihlale phansi ukuthi emhlabeni ama challenges akhona kodwa khona into eyodwa engiyaziyo alifi iphupho umnikazi wale saphila. Into namhlanje emabhizinisini abanye abantu bayazi ukuthi hey mhlambe nina yini enenza ngiqhubeke nenzele amabhizinisi kunzima kangaka. Kunento eyodwa siya engiyaziyo as long as ngisaphefumula ngiyohlala ngizama. uNkulunkulu mangisavuka nje kuseni ngisaphefumula that means ukhona into uNkulunkulu asangasebenza nayo. So why do I give up? Ngoba the fact stands ukuthi ama bills will never give up on you. How will you give up kanjani? umbuzo omunye ukuba kuthiwa emhlabeni lento yo give up into right ngoba sangena emagarage sithenga imoto ezintsha ngoba ziyaginqika. Abantu abancane sibakhulisayo kufanele ngabe sithi asabayeki bayisukumele bawe bashayeke ngoba sakuthi bazolimala. We keep on keeping on noma ngabe kunzima kangakanani, no matter what the obstacles endleleni, but unephupho alikwazi ukuthi usaphefumula. So bafowethu siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngalo RNK. Mina la I'm just 1 month old, 2 weeks ngimusha kahle but already I'm sitting on VIP 4. Mina whenever I given an opportunity, I make sure that I grab that opportunity. Ngingabuza ukuthi lifike nobani liqale. You know guys, kunento ebuhlungu. I was sharing with one of umngane wami ngithi mina uNkulunkulu wenza isimanga ngibuka uTembe ngiyamazi from the other projects that we're doing. You know uNkulunkulu works in mysterious ways. uTembe kule business asasilenza, he was just nje uma extra strong and thina we were making things happen. But look at what God has done. Usukele uTembe umuntu onganakekile. Yazi uJehova ukwenza imanga. Uyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyasithatha isibusiso sakho asibeke phansi. Uma uphakeme bese ungasiboni. Let me say this again. Ibhizinisi lifikele kuTembe onganakekile. Kunabantu namhlanje they still not powerful entity just because babuka noTembe ameyayo. Basakhuluma nabantu ntambama. Bafowethu isifunele lento kuthiwa yipride. Bafowethu futhi angisho ngesizulu mamuzoba siyabonga. Isifunele impakamo. Lento yokubuka ukuthi ibhizinisi lifike nobani. Uyozikhuthelwa isibusiso sakho ubuTembe. Abantwana bakaIsrael bezwe lesethembiso ababukanga ama-obstacles ayezindleleni babuka i-destination okuyiKenani. Sibahleli kuTembe ukuthi uTembe ufike nebhizinisi. Who is this Tembe? They are missing i-breakthrough. Please, this powerful opportunity that is here to change lives for the better. Akekho umuntu la ongeke ashintshe ngo-RNK uma ezimisele. Guys, mark my words, today is the 30th of August 2025. Wonke umuntu olayindlini ozazi ukuthi ufunani, one-goal, onephupho, with RNK you are going to turn tables upside down. Let me tell you something. Bonke abantu asebevalele emgqomeni kaDoti bathi there is nothing that can come out of here. Let me tell you something. uDoni umhlabe umculo wegospel waseSwatini athi basheshe bahleka kanti inkosi sizwe. So namhlanje wena olana usendaweni right ngesikhathi esi-right ukhethe kahle wakhetha uRNK. Thina kade sasishaya endleleni. Sibusisekile namhlanje ngezinto eziningi just because asigive up hanga endleleni. Ngisho mina ngithi giving up is never a solution. Ngoba mawuyeka uzoba umtholo kwaba at the end of the day. Bafethu ayikho ebuhlungu njengokungabi namali. That is why I always say find ways to make money because nobody cares about your sad stories. Akekho umuntu onendaba nawe. Even no government doesn't even know ukuthi khona into ewena existayo. Ngithe kunamalanga ungakwazi ukuzondla, you are in trouble. Sisesikhathini whereby kufanele ube yiphanda ube umuntu ohlale efuna amathuba ukuthi ngingenza njani ukuze ngishintshe le situation ebhekene. I always say if awuyithanda i-situation obhekene usukhathele kulo mshado ukuncenga ngoba amadoda ayadelele uma ungenamali. Iqiniso guys, mina ngithi ngiyolifela iqiniso. I know what it might sound gabi, but uma ungenayo imali bafethu even emndenini niyayazi lento awulaleleki izwi lakho alizwakali. Let's say ekhaya kunomhlangano kuphela something. Ufika umuntu uyaphakamisa wena ngoba bayakwazi ukuthi awunamali. Bathi hayi awuthule wena. Usukuma ingane yakini encane mhlawumbe iyasebenza. iphakamise kuthiwa Thulani uyakhuluma indaba ezitha hayi ngoba ekhuluma into epowerful kuneyakho mhlawumbe wena obuza nekhuze emhlawumbe but just because awunamali awunasithunzi awulaleleki amazwi ami ogcina namhlanje nje ukukhuthaza ukuthi let's do leli business laka RMK. I am not saying ukuthi it will be there forever. We cannot guarantee that. Kodwa sikwaziyo ukuthi lizoyishintsha impilo zabantu. Mawuzolibala lokho liqwalinga ukuthi lifike nobani liphumaphi. Woe unto you ngoba uzothi uyaphaphama sesiphethe ama-million. Because we are going to score millions kule project yaka RMK. May God bless you.
Call all the VIP team. Please come forward.
Hey!
Just shake your hands to directors, then you go. Come, right on your foot. That's all. Well done. Now, teacher, well done. Ake ngithi ngingabambeleli uThokozane lo wawanyobo enguthu ozalwa nomthembu. Ngokomculo iGreen Mamba. Bengiyofisa nje kanisa kwethu lingene kuma-download niseshe iGreen Mamba IGREEN space MABA. Inkinga-ke sekukhona laba abafuna ukuthi bathathe sesikusebenzele. Kuno-Green Mamba-ke kumele nimgade. Green Mamba only osefuna ukuthi abe yini. Umehluko wami-ke iGreen Mamba. Sengisho ukuthi uma uyodownload uqaphele Nkosi yami ungathathi onke kona. Uthathe lokho kungu-I. Ngoba kunabantu abangamakhophethu. Ngizwile nala kuthiwa kwezinkampani khona abazama ukuthi kodwa ngidownload.
Uma sekuyo power iphathi thathi plate kanti kusobeki ukukende lokutshela kunamasalad lapho kunayo yonke into dessert everything isuku umozikhala abantu khona yabafaka ithe isuku lapho yalandelisa ngamakhe ngalokho yile yafaka idessert oh phezu kwe-rice lokhaya yafaka idessert ayibanjwanga isisu lilelo tani ngagame kumlaphono isigabalisenzeke ngona so laphana yindlela zokukhokhela right now sizohamba-ke manje ngicela leli tafula leliyana nalo libajoyine leliya tafula leliyana libajoyine ya that's all awu captain my captain that's all there ayike bethu captain omunye yebo alikale lelo captain
and there is none like you are God alone, and there is none like you. You are the only one who reigns forever.
ngicela ukuthi siqhubeke neprogram yethu isiyaphela angizwa angizwanga
2 months to go to farm.
oh bengikhona ukukhuluma la oh nifundala
This is another thing.
ulela kanjani ungalenzi imiliyoni ngenyanga la asenzele kanje V4 kanjani tell us I'm just giving you only 2 minutes ukuthi ushare the story sakho remember ukuthi story sakho ushare la sizosiza nomuntu ongazi ukuthi obekade idoubt ukuthi angakwazi ukuyenza le business over to you ngicela start phela bazalwane
nginguNobakhethwa wakwamabhena ukarisa ngekangala ngeBongo Street ukuhlala ngihlale eDavidson eTshwane namhlanje I didn't plan mina I thought ngizohlala namhlanje yabona mos kunama-motivators nani so ngi-surprised bathi baphele phakathi ngiyaqala ukuphelelwa amazwi ngilo muntu ohlala nawo amazwi but namhlanje aphilile ngoba abenabelana engifuna ukusho ukuthi mangithola le business leaders bekungasimnandi mangithola le business bekungasimnandi I think khona uba bengimbonile ukuthi bangafika la wafika wabulisa lapho wasukuma lapho wamhaga baba nomamami abanye abantu engathi kunzima ngelinye ilanga last year kunzima serious ababona ngelanga bafaka imali bathi Kate ithenga igrosari so into yami yokunzima akusiyinto ya manje kodwa kunama-leaders abantu ukuthi bawakha i-network bese wakho usisi wakho ubhuti wakho umama wakho ubaba that's why I always say ungalimazi network ngoba ngelinye ilanga uzolidinga i-network marketing sinabosisi sinabobhuti sinabobaba so maningibona ngisukuma I think ngiyibonile ihaki yami bengahazi umuntu but ngize ngalala phezu kwesifuba sikababa ngoba abanye abantu bebazinika mangihluphekile and ngale ndlela yokuthi azange ngisabe ngibhadela yibhizinisi maqala so mama ngibona namhlanje bazobayasho ukuthi ya wasilahla leaders mangithola ibhizinisi mina bengasimnandi I couldn't even afford isinkwa bread mina mangithola ibhizinisi this business saved me from into eziyi-2 either bengizofa nge-depression or bengizozibulala ngoba bese sengi-understand umuntu ozibulalayo ngoba nenkinga yabona once waqala wa-understand ukuthi uzibani bekumele azibulale then that means nawe sokuyileso stage leso sokuthi uzibulale hlala batshela abalila ukuthi mina ikhethini lakwami belingasavulwa bengingasasazi isikhathi sokuvulwa ngoba bengihlala ngisembhedeni ngivale namakhethini ukuthi angabi nomuntu ongenayo so noma umfonela ungena nge-network bengingakhoni but bengizotshela kahle ukuthi ngicela uhlukane nami please ngiyacela ngiziphethelwe i-stress ngiyagula abantu ababalambile akunakudla awazi ukuthi ngicalephi ngicela ungiyeke bayilida ngizofuna so mangithola this business it was not nice indawo engihlala kuyo always tell people abanye bathanda ukwenza ijoke ngithi mina ngihlala mina ngithoma kuphuma kuthunguma manje ngimela sahlala ye-wall fence umnyango wakwami ningifowunela nifuna i-KYC abantwana bamayazi ukuthi osendlina kaphuma ongaphandla ngeni ngoba mawuqala uvula uthi ngoba uvaka manje mangiqala ngithi KYC uqala ufona uthi ngivele mabheke ngelihlo ngithi lo mncane uyazi ukuthi akusamelanga ngiphume manje akumelanga ngisondele emnyango the way isimo le business engijwayele isibheka ngakhona I respect leader Thandeka Mazela. Leadership, you gave me a second chance empilweni.
Shaya bo.
leadership gave me a second chance. Ngoba uma ngifonela angingeke ngijojele ibhizinisi uqala ukungena from January. From January angingeke ngigcina le business but ngibhizi ngitshela ukuthi leadership ngeke ngifumane nama right. Maybe khona uyohlelila namhlanje oyitholayo leyo chance ukuthi bakushaya le business. Ukhuluma same thing yakho ukuthi leadership ngeke ngifumane nayo. Angise right. Ungcenge from January. Wangincenga ngisho noba sezovula i-office wathi my leader ngicela ukusebenze nami i-company izosulela i-office. Still azange. The day beseJoburg bazoyenza i-presentation, I'll be honest with you leaders. Bathi babafona bathi siyeza sizoyenza i-presentation. Futhi waqale wangishaya ngama-invite asangwanayo. Wabona ukuthi angwanaki wangifonela wathi ngiseJozi ngathi anginamali wathi ngikufakele. And honest truth masiya lapha mina no leadership supervisor wami leadership precious uSamuel ngapha. Masiya khona sasiprofisela ukuthi siyodla. Siphuma i-vacation yonke sabe siyodla so distress uyibona ukuthi esishiye vele sidayiwa sinazikwa and sesiprofisela no precious uzothatha sama 500 so sithengele igqoko thina sisitole sizithengisele nje so sasiyodla sasiphumile nje so distress. The day ngithola le business it was 28 April bangithola le business. Mangifika lapha ayibakungoba ngathi wayengifundile vele ukuthi lo ngeke azayithathe lento yami. Akungoba wavele wadrowa la same time 8,000 wadrowa la same time yaphuma same time aqeda wathi asideni akasideni makini akasideni nayo imali. Leso sikhathi leso noma ngenzela i-presentation if ngiyazibona leza ithombe basengithele bathanda ukusifaka lapha ngangisigqokele nalokho lami ngisigqokele nesipoti sami ngisikela ngisidalela negame yami futhi nje nganganasikhathi but wathi makathi ngidraw i-38,000 same time ngathatha ifoni yami ngangirecruiter ngayenje linomunyubaka la uphethe udoli 38,000 phambi kwami yenge linomunyubaka la udoli 38,000 phambi kwami same day lelo langa lelo ngalala kunabantu abayi4 angazi bebeyingakhe bebangilindile ukuthi bazojoyina business. So leaders like this business 28 April I've made more than 80,000 in the business. More than 80,000 when I was night alali mina ngitshayisa kwami ukuthi ngiphumile office ukuthi njani office yini ukutshayisa leadership nomkhosi nebangasho but ngithi ngifike endlini already abanye ngibathola bahleli lapha esofeni lami nomgodi bangilindile abanye bayafona abanye but 24 hours. So leaders ngizophinda futhi kuba kumngokushilo wathi ama-centers ayasebenza. Mangabe sesikhethiwe let's serve abantu bethu ngothando. I'm trying by all means ukuthi let's serve abantu bethu ngothando and masuse officeini akuna downliner yakho akunabani wonke umuntu ongena officeini team yakho umuntu wakho make sure ukuthi you serve and you serve with pride. So thank you leaders, thank you ngiyabonga
siseba respect siyovula i-office lesi somkhosi ukhona into yashiwo Prince and the power of ukudeclare wathi uPrince silapha eMaritzburg ebona sihleli sizikhulu sizimenywa yena esemdibini wathi uPrince next time aphinde kuhlangana I'll be one of the managers. Namhlanje he's here. Manager uphethe i-office.
Samekho kahle kodwa ngicela nje ningiphindlebe uPrince okaGumede ngoba bengigakho bengiyothi ngiyobonga ngane enkosini. Ngingenalutho. Engithathe ngingelutho lebusiness yangenza lento yokumanager nje basathi manager le-office ngikhala ukubizwa abantu ngoba angifakile khanda. Ngizosebenza itarget yami ukuthi by lapha ko-October November ngibe sengu-VIP 5 ngoba ibhizinisi it's about sales, it's about targets. Ungangeni uhlale mina ngafundiswa ku-network ukuthi awungeni kodaqabele ungena usebenze. So ke ngazibambezela bafethu ngabe kade ngangena ko-VIP 4 ku-VIP 5 ngosana ukukhuluma noMona nganizwa noMona ngala bakhuluma ngala indaba ke ila isekuthini ngayizwa ngoFebruary bafowethu ngaze ngangena ngoJune. Don't do what I did ngoba ngangena ngamawala ngathi mazeka my upline ngizogijima la ngabo VIP 3 in 2 weeks ngabo VIP 4 in 2 months. Nganikeza u-office abaphathi bami bathi ngenxa yendlela ogijima ngayo hamba uyovula i-office lapho silapho emigrant lethela abantu benu sizobasupport. Nakho engifisa ukubeka sengihlala phansi into ye-success akusiyo-ke eyobuzo friends. Ngitheni nasengitshela abantu bethi ozegoli ozasogijima mayika ozegoli bengenamali sakhala ku-upline wami bathi nayi le leader engathi izogijima ithi asize egoli sizosebenza nayo sayisupport ayangena ngemali yathi ngathi ngifike egoli yanyamalala leader. Into yebhizinisi ne-success akusiyo yobuzo uyama wedwa noma umuntu ethe uzohamba nawe engasahambi nawe ngoba musayina usayinela wedwa nefamily yakho ney'ngane zakho. So indaba ya-anti-teaching bafethu indaba ejulile ka-personal. Ngifisa ukunyalela bafethu ukuthi lento isiza kuphi kodwa musahamba ngobhadi ngeke ufike kwampumelelo. Lamalida lawo ngibize igama lomuntu kodwa bayazazi ukuthi I didn't even take it as a betrayal. Nga-understand ukuthi lento yemali spiritual khona umuntu akabalekela imali nje imali ikhona nansi imali abaleke adle phansi. So ke ngayiqonda ukuthi no sometimes i-success journey yayo is very lonely. So bafethu ngizobambela isitifiketi la ngo-VIP 4 of fresh brand new. Iyasebenzeka lento iyenzeka lento siyahola Monday thatha lento ayinambozo
ayudodlala ifunga umntwana amaphupha ufike lapho kubhalele. I remember komnyaka it was 2019 that the flag le gate yayisenzeka okungathiwa ingcono kunami. Ndandilele flat guys ndinetwork umthetho wami ndandikhathelwe yonke into eyona nto ndifuna uyithetha kuyinto yoba what is network. Ndandikhathelwe yonke ndithathelwe umzi ndithathelwe imoto ndirenta ezilalini. Abantwana bam babengazange babhale kulo nyaka i-final examination omnye wayesukwa grade 12 omnye kwa grade 9 zange babhale. Ndandingazi uba mna abantwana bakhe bangabhali kuphela. Ndandilele flat. I remember 3 days silala ngamanzi. I was praying kodwa uThixo wathi xa besithi bayahleka mna ndizabe ndikuvusa. Guys kulo nyaka I was nizocinga ndiyaxoka I became a multi-millionaire. Jongani xa ndisonke umzi mna kwangathi kunoba ngabantu angithende into encinci. Ndandisonke umzi ngapha ndibe ndisonke irezi ngapha. Imoto ndandithenga imoto nge-23 ka-Oktoba nange-29 ka-Oktoba ndithenga cash. Eyona nto ndifuna uyithetha andizange uzoqenyula ne but ndizoxelela into yoba lo business ndayenza 5 months kodwa ndasendithetha ngazo. Wena ufundela ugqirha okanye uyiloya okanye intontoni ndiqinisekile uzawuthi uritayisha ungazange ube nayo even imoto because niyayuzwa. Uyazi le nto kuthiwa uphangela usebenza kuyuzwa la ndiye ndibona into yoba ithini umntu uyayuzwa. Guys abantu bayayuzwa. Phakama wenza imali usebenza smart. Yazi xa unetworker usebenza smart guys. Uthatha ifowuni usenolala ebhedini iveki yonke kodwa wenza millions. Thetha ngefowuni. Eyona nto endizoyithetha yiloba iyenzeka le nto. Xa ndijoyine i-NTT ke mna ke ufike e-NTT ndiqoma kudala sedliwa. Enye into ndiyabona mos sendineziphansi endinini. Ukhona le business. Ndithi yo ntwana hayi ntwana.
ngenxa yesikhathi bazalwane bami, ngenxa yesikhathi ngizama ukuba ngesikhathi uma siyithulile usephelele airtime yakho. So njengamanje ngizobiza yabona lo muntu engizombiza manje hey awumazi umuntu osebenzayo. Yazi umuntu usebenza kukhulu amadimona 100 akasebenzi kangaka. Hey uyasebenza nangumuntu ayingangithi namsiyagijima mngama hayi ngithi yabona kuthiwa nawe usekhona kuthiwa nawe ungapho kuthiwa nawe usemandleni lapho lo muntu bantu ugijima ngebhejini. One and only Mamzubase. Put your hands together. Awusebenzi Mpolo. Yini uqabelele bathi? Uthi uqabelele poverty. Sis, awusitshele lapha uyaqonda akaze nangilanga ngifike kuthiwa akekho. Uyisathele akekho. Angazi ukuthi usuke kuphi. Uyasabatha. Kodwa uhleze ucommitted efreza zabantu. Angisho ukuthi ni wrong lawa senwashini. But ngifuna ungitshela ukuthi leli business lithathe la beka la. That what I want to hear. Because leyo nto izosiza nabanye abantu abafikayo ukuthi hawu yabona. So angisho ababanye bathi siwelela wrong cha sendisho program Martin ingqikithi enkulu ileyo awushele bathuma ngosizwe bathuma ngosizwe mabo wekhandi hayi wesizwe aye awushele into ukuthi wenze kanjani.
Sanibonani? Hayi ngathi ukulangizwa ni right? Hayi nawo umuntu usuthi manje. Umuntu ozolala la. Mina kanjani ngenani imiloni. Uma kuzwasa wabantu nobawethu nami ngibone kahle ukuthi masiphelile i-airtime kwenzakalana angifisi siphele i-airtime la. Ngibone kahle. Hayi bafethu mina ngingathi ngizothi mina sekunje kwenzakala isina kwenza utembe. Hayi bani sekunje kwenzema. Within few weeks, Baba said you need a VIP for few weeks.
Yeah, boom.
Ngelilanga ngizobakhipha yazini siye Dubai ngasekhona. Ngincenge intokazi kube kusebenza bangabona uzeko nje lapha phezulu ukuthi awunakuzeko Nkosi. Naye bangabona uzeko ukuthi hawe nakuzeko uma amapholo ngivela fonele nje ngithoda kwamapholo ngingenzani. Kodwa namhlanje ngwenza 120,000 within few weeks. Nizwe lapha emuva ngithi ngwenza 120,000 within few weeks yaba entity iyenzeka lento kodwa ifuna ukuthi ugijime imali le 100% wa 33 days uyalibazisa gijima mntama nibayeke labantu abathuswa ubala uthembethi bamaphula abaphumelele headquarter bonke abantu bawujoka imali ebusuku mina kuyamithi ngothemba umuntu wethu ujoke ngathi ahambe kahle ngoba ngiyazi uphila sibuyele siyarecruiter kodwa asinengi labonke
besa ngaphambili especially kunhlombe njengoba ngibe uzokwenza kanje